Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today, in this video, we'll show you how to edit a header in a Microsoft Word document step by step. Let's get started. Step 1, first open the Microsoft Word document where you want to edit the header. Make sure the document is fully loaded before continuing. Step 2, go to the top of the screen and click on the Insert tab in the toolbar. This tab contains all the options related to headers, footers and page elements. Step 3, under the Insert tab, click on Header. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Header to enter header editing mode. Step 4, you can now add new text or modify the existing text in the header. If you want the header to be different on the first page, check the option that says Different First Page. This is useful if you don't want a header on the cover page. Step 5, to add a page number, click where you want the number to appear in the header. Then click Page Number and choose a style that fits your document. You can adjust the formatting if needed. If you want to insert the date and time, click on Date and Time. Choose your preferred format, select the language if required, and then click OK to insert it. Step 6, once you're finished editing the header, click Close Header and Footer to exit editing mode. You've successfully edited a header in a Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tutorials.